Hi, English with AliSir. Today we are coming up with the topic adverb. What is adverb? Adverb is a word that modifies verb. There is always the confusion between the usage of adjectives and adverb. One thing has to be understood. For example, if we take example of adjective that literally talks about noun or pronoun, but as to comparison to adjective, adverbs talk about verb. That means adverbs mostly talk about action. So we have to understand this thing. Before we proceed further, we can take example. For example, if I take example of a word early, so we can use it as adjective, we can use it as adverb. For example, my neighbor is an early riser. Now here early is used as adjective. So let's convert it into adverb. My neighbor gets up early. Here early has been used as adverb. Let's take one more example. He is always very careful when he drives. Here careful is the word adjective. Let's convert it into adverb. He always drives carefully. So carefully here is the word which has been used as adverb. So we have to understand this whole of the theory. Adverb modifies the meaning of verb, adverb or adjective. And one more thing to understand this whole thing is, always remember that adverb is extra part of sentence. So it may or may not affect sentence, its meaning, if it is omitted, if it is left out. So, but in comparison to that, adjective is a word which has got more importance in a sentence as compared to adverb. We can discuss a couple of types of adverbs here. For example, first type of adverb is adverbs of manner, and they show how in a sentence. For example, he walked slowly towards me. Then there is second type of adverb, that is adverbs of time, which show time. They show when. She wakes up early in the morning. That is example. Then there is third kind of adverb, that is adverbs of place. They show place, they show where. For example, Ali's house is located near the district park. Then there is one more adverb, that is adverbs of frequency. They show how often, or how often. For example, he committed the same mistake repeatedly. Here repeatedly is adverb. Then there is last kind of adverb, adverbs of degree, or you can say adverb of quantity. They show how much. For example, dolphins are not found abundantly in our rivers. So these were a couple of kinds of adverb. So we can discuss adverb in a detailed manner. For example, we can say, for example, he's a fast runner. Here fast is talking about that runner, so that means it is adjective. He runs fastly. Now fastly is adverb here. He is a late comer. Now late here is adjective. He comes late. Here late again is adverb. He is a slow runner. Slow is adjective here. He runs slowly. Slowly is adverb. So we have to understand the difference. For example, if some word Mostly, let's make it more easy. Most of the adverbs end with ly, but not every time, but often we can say that adverb generally or mostly ends with ly. For example, falsely, slowly, rubbishly, brightly, loudly, sulkily, quietly, quickly, easily, merrily. So these are some adverbs. In comparison to adverb, adjectives generally and one can say specifically talk about noun or pronoun because they qualify noun. They talk about the quality actually, quality of thing or some person or just like these things. But in comparison to adjective, adverbs talk about action, how action has been done. For example, if I say the car the car is running slowly, so slowly is talking about how car is running. He talks rubbish or he talks rubbishly. So here rubbish or rubbishly is talking about the action. He speaks nicely. He speaks gracefully. He talks well. Now this well, gracefully. So such are some adverbs which we can see in general use every day. For example, we can take some more examples. She is going to Delhi tomorrow. So tomorrow is type of adverb, placial adverb, talks about place. Ali is well now. Ali is well now. Now here well is adjective, now is adverb. He is going to park now. Here now is again adverb. Adverbs can come in different positions at the beginning, in the middle, or the end of the sentence, but generally we put them at the beginning or at the end of sentence.